Welcome back to another video by Mr. Project. In this video, let's take the car cover off this car and let's get a big intercooler on it. Got the front bar off. It's such a pain trying to get this off without damaging it because, you know, it's freshly painted. It's a brand new center bar. I just really didn't want to damage it, but we got it off and it's in one piece and I didn't break it. So that's really good news. Come down here, look at the size of that intercooler. That is a baby. It's even smaller than the one that was on mine. I just forget these things, but anyway. There's some more crappy brackets. I'm going to take these off, make exactly the same brackets. Pretty much the whole setup exactly the same as this car. Let's get it done, eh? Let's get this intercooler off and start mocking it up. Not sure if this was in a video or not, but that is where we've put the airflow meter to hide it out of the engine bay, because this is a stock turbo setup. You have to have the airflow meter. That's the placement. That above it, I extended the wires. It's just a little hot tip for anyone that is running the same setup and wants the tidy look in the engine bay. Put your airflow meter under the front, no one can see it. Anyway, let's get this off. Alright, so we've got the intercooler off. Look at these crappy brackets, but tell you why they're not so thick, because this intercooler literally weighs like nothing. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these bolts out and hopefully these will work in the new intercooler, which is what I'm hoping anyway. So we'll get these out and then we'll start making some new brackets, some strong brackets for the big intercooler. And hopefully it'll all work. We don't need them anymore and we don't need this. The bolts actually fit, which I'm very happy about. Look at that, lovely. So now let's start making some brackets and get this thing mounted up. Exactly the same as last time. So I'm just using the vise. We've got our bit of steel in there. I'm just gonna give it a push. Oh, it's very, very, very solid. I'm gonna grab the hammer that down. Hopefully get this camera on a stand somewhere where you can see. I could possibly bend that at all. There it is, guys. We've got the brackets on there. So now let's get it all mocked up, mounted on the car, and then we'll weld it on there. Got the intercooler all mounted up, just all mocked up at the moment. I'm going to get the welder out in a minute. I'm going to tack on the two brackets and then I'm going to remove the intercooler and fully weld it. Righto guys, so we've got the intercooler all mounted up. This pipe fits straight on, look at that, didn't have to modify anything. Besides these silicone joints, they're meant to be 3-inch. I've had to put them in hot water, stretch them over. I think they're a little bit shy of 3 inches because they definitely don't just slide over. That intercooler pipe as well is going to work. I'm not going to have to cut any pipes. Absolutely mint, stoked with that. I am so stoked I didn't have to modify any intercooler piping. Nothing, it all fits. There it is, she's all mounted up. Mint. I'm probably going to open up the shed and we're going to give her a start. just in the middle of refitting this front bar. You wouldn't believe it. I didn't even have to cut the front bar. I don't understand. That intercooler's in the same spot as my car, and I had to trim my front bar, but this one, nothing. Didn't trim anything, and it all just sort of fits like it's meant to be there, which is great. At least I don't have to cut anything, and it's going back together nice and easy. Mint. It's now time for a test. We are going to, I'm going to have to get the mount and put it in this car so then we can film our drive. And hopefully it'll be pretty sick with the new intercooler. Anyway, going to start it up and warm it up. I blew the bloody spark plug lead off. Whoa, it's got a bit of going in there, huh? Not a good day out in the Veal unless you've gone and got yourself a coffee from Macca's and a sausage and egg McMuffin. On this fabulous day, let's cruise home. Try not to spill these coffees all through the car, would be a good start. Oh, what way am I going to go? I have to go the long way. Whoops, nearly had a casualty then. Save the coffee. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Mr. Project. That's pretty much going to wrap this video up, guys. Thanks for tuning in once again, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And everybody that wanted to see number 2 intercooler install, you just seen it. And leave a thumbs up. Nah, don't leave a thumbs up. Leave a thumbs down, because there's like 3 people that constantly do it. Join in with them and just leave a thumbs down. Probably don't comment, and probably don't ever watch my videos again. But I'll see you next time. I was just joking about that. Probably leave a thumbs up and comment. See ya.